everybody. This is Miss Lena again. And I'm hoping you all are doing okay at this period of time. So I'm getting ready to read a King James Bible, verse 2 and Psalms 2. All right. I now lay me down to sleep, awaken for the Lord sustain me. I will not be afraid of 10,000 of people that have set themselves against me around about. Arise, O Lord, save me, O my God, for thou hast submitted all mine enemies up on the cheekbone. Thou hast broken the teeth of the ungodly. Salvation belongeth unto the Lord. Thy blessings is up on thy people. Shine. Okay, that is from King James Version of the Bible.
And it's Vlogmas Day 9.
All right.
Happy Vlogmas.
Vlogs. Okay.
Charcuterie.
A charcuterie board for the kids. Okay. So I'm going to be using all of these items that you see on the table. I don't know. Let's see what else. Okay. So I'm going to first start with this one right here, and I'll be doing the crackers on this one and the meats. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to where's the other one? The one that's open there, please. All right. All right. All right, this is the pepper salami. Boy, I used to wear this salami out years ago. Years ago, I used to love it. I don't know how well I like it now. Okay. Oh, these crackers are trying to bag up on me. I'm going to put my eyes right there. Okay, now I'll be putting the cheese right here. Okay, I'm adding the meat on the other side, so. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is just a little bowl of jelly that you can put your crackers in or dip your cheese in or whatever. Okay. Now, let me get another. I'll store the oranges right side the cheese. All right. Okay. Now, I'm going to be adding a few carrots down the center. Okay. Now, add a few tomatoes. I'm going to slice. Okay. I'm going to add.
I'm trying to make it now. I'm washing it with hot water. I had to use hot water. Wear gloves, Granny. Who said you had to go?
I still can't find it.
Oh, that is. Look over there in the stove.
Okay, now. Okay.
It looked like, people. I can't even watch. I said she must have put it up here.
Yeah, okay. Give me a piece. Hand me the paper. Give me a piece. Hand me a paper towel. A little piece of paper towel. These things are so wet. Okay. I should have poured the water on.
Mama said you still have sheep first.
No, we're gonna pat it up now. It's got to be like it's got to go down, like it's going down the hill, up the hill or something. Wait a minute.
This is a charcuterie board.
Get some big slices here. How much that is? Okay, now you got it. You store it there. You a big slice of the cheese, so you have to do it like that.
Yes, I have to get a yellow for me. Yes,
Wait a minute.
yellows.
Bring it down, something like look.
Yellows.
Bring it down, something like that.
Do you want me to do?
Get another color. Don't make the same color. No, get another color. Then put that color in. Okay. Okay. Now put another color. Put that color on top. Just pull it up a little further. Let it come halfway. No, halfway. It's a little bit further. Okay, just about. Okay.
Okay. Life as a long
Okay. Now, wait a minute. We got to do something else.
I caught
Here.
1,000 YouTube.
All right.
Just to lose to. What you lose to.
You got some oranges you can put.
Okay. Now you don't put the oranges in there. You put them and make that look down on the end. Okay, can you pull them apart? And then,
Yes.
okay. Put them on the end down there. Pull them apart now. You got to put it up. Okay.
I got the other part.
Okay.
Not going close to your face. Or really get my eyes. I want to get my eyes. That's why I'm holding it so far from me.
Okay. Wait a minute now. Like
Everything
that.
has
Okay.
stains.
Yeah, keep on. Get another one and pull it apart also.
My hands smell good.
Here. Now, pull that one apart. Don't worry about it. Don't put that one on. That one's okay on there also. Pull the grape. Now pull the string off the grapes here. And then set them around here like that, okay?
This is a charcuterie.
Kind of push them together. Okay. And go ahead and put all them off of there. And then put some of those around there. Some of those blackberries.
This is what I told you. There's more inside. And then it wasn't all real good, guys. Not bad. Who did you get? I can't get that. What? Nope. I'm sure it's cute. Okay. I just definitely that one. Let me check all the great
Ain't that a,
Ta-da-da.
that's a nice man right down on the side of the sink, baby. Okay.
I've never made a charcuterie board.
We know.
I'm trying to use my arm this time.
Here, place some of this bread on this tray.
Okay.
Place some of that bread to go on
And
this
here,
tray.
put your strawberries around there.
That's
Okay.
what exactly what I was about to do.
Here, I think I already cut that one for you.
Now you can put
Here.
it down. Yeah.
Where I put these?
Right around there.
Oh, just
You got to have some color, so yeah, some carrots. Here, put some color. Now, you turn them down. Just like we did in front right there. You turn them over like that.
This is gonna be a good charcuterie board.
Okay. All right.
Money look.
Now we're gonna put some carrots right there.
I might eat like 5 carrots.
Okay.
So you're maybe like 9.
All right.
At least somebody likes having it.
Now, okay.
Other people say that's too
Now,
small.
I'm trying to get you
Give me the whole roll.
Let me get you the breadsticks out. Wait a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Hey.
Now I got to put you some more meat over there.
DJ.
And the turkey.
DJ. It mysteriously broke. I don't know how. See?
Yeah,
They won't tell the difference.
You the mysterious.
It's mysteriously broke out of nowhere. And a thin air just crushed into pieces. I don't know how.
Turkey.
Mom said turkey. Ham.
It's turkey.
Ham. Turkey ham.
No, it's just turkey.
Turkey ham.
It's just turkey.
You don't know nothing.
Okay.
It's turkey ham.
There, right there. Right side there.
It's
Wait,
turkey.
wait, look here. Just get it. Let's get it like this, okay?
Okay.
You got to roll it like that.
The charcuterie board is too big.
No, it ain't, because there's a whole bunch of y'all to eat. There's 4 of y'all to eat, so what you talking about? 5, 6, 7 of us.
Are these cooked?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yes, it's cooked.
Mm.
Now I think that's
You look good. Let's do my dance. Gotta do my dance. Charcuterie board.
here. You take one.
It's the nails.
I got my stuff right here.
Stop hitting that arrow.
Okay. So, y'all like the charcuterie board Granny did for y'all?
Yeah.
So this, let me get a close-up picture. Hold on. Here's the charcuterie boards that Miss Lena did for her great-grandkids. And Kaka did that one.
Look, I did that one.
Start tasting. See how y'all like the charcuterie board. Charcuterie.
Monkey, you know what's off my hand?
It's good. I love it.
Yeah, boy. Why would you do that? Oh.
Put it in your plate.
Oh, I would just rather just eat that.
Okay. All
hummus.
right, whatever.
But put up. I have an idea.
No, do.
Then take a cheese.
Carrots, whatever.
fold this. A
Ew.
sandwich. I made a sandwich.
Yeah. Oh.
So how y'all like the charcuterie board?
It's busted.
1 to 10.
10.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Breadsticks. Okay. Like the breadsticks also? All right. No.
Did I tell you I'm gonna devour?
Yeah, I see you devour when the whole thing trying to.
Everybody try to steal from me. So I have to devour it.
Ma, how you doing in the movie?
I'm trying to get a piece, but not letting me get off.
You still taking?
How do you get this off? Oh, I got this.
A spoon.
Okay.
It's so weird.
No,
Y'all get y'all a spoon and put it in your plate. Get a spoon.
Okay.
Comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. And press the all. And comment.
And share.
All right.
Bye, Felicia.
Bye.
If the children are enjoying it, they're say it's not it's what they the highest point was what, Tom?
Yeah.
All right, the highest point on everybody said
10.
10. 10. It was 10 from everybody. All right now. So
And this y'all first
They
time getting a
enjoyed the
charcuterie board?
charcuterie board, like they all enjoyed it. This is the first time they've had one. All right. So everybody's going to say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I hope you all see them on the video. So, and I want y'all know that they really enjoyed it because you're looking at everybody gave you a 10. Everybody gave us a 10. So that means it was very good for them. And we thank you for watching, everybody. And the kids say thank you for watching because they're enjoying it. So great. They're having a good time on the carrier board.